Back for a feature bonus race. Sorry, bonus race after the feature race. Doing a little leader outside the cones action on the reverse course that we just did. A couple cone sections. Oh boy, okay, people. There's a cone section up here on the outside right there. I don't want to hit the cone too. Okay, all right, good. And then there's another cone section back there, right there. So when the leader hits those cones, they have to take the cone section. It's a fun little format. Helps keep people bunched up. At least, oh boy, okay, all right, well, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, what a disaster. Let's get away from that, huh? Let's get away, All right, gotta get away, Okay, all right, so this is where the leader outside the cones really shines, just because, like, if this was a regular race and I got involved in that incident, my race would be over with. But these cone sections are going to keep people getting shuffled, and it's going to slow down the lap times of the people who have to take them. So I will be able to make up some ground. Hopefully. Okay. Oh boy, we're sliding there. That's probably not good for her. That probably doesn't mean good things for my tire traction if I'm sliding right there. Oh boy, there, Drew. How you doing? Welcome back to Challenge Night. Oh. If I had a little more grip there, that would have been my space, dog. Let's go, bud. Let's go. Oh, okay. All right. Ah! Oh, that was fun. Oh, that was good. All right, here we go. Oh boy, why? Oh my goodness, this cart stinks. Okay, it's okay. We just got to deal with the lack of traction. Okay. There's Brian. Hello, Brian. The old in and out. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we've made it into the rotation with a nice little move by me, huh? That was pretty good if I do say so myself. Now I gotta take this guy. Oh boy. Whoop. Ah! That was hilarious. Oh goodness. He left that spot. I'm gonna take it. I had a lot of momentum coming out of there, to be fair. Okay. Whoa! Holy brother! Okay. I don't know who that was, but I don't recommend doing that again. That was crazy. Oh, bro pitted himself, unfortunately. Oh, that was funny. How about a checkered flag? How about a little checkered flag? A little checkered? No checkered. Okay. All right. All right, now we got to take this section. Oh, Brian. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if this is a good section. I mean, it's probably a good section to take, as long as I can keep coming out in second, huh? A little checkered? No checkered. Okay, no checkered. All right, fine. Oh, I'm taking it pretty good, though, honestly. I feel like I'm taking that as good as anybody can. I am going through there with some speed. That's right. Hold on to that checker. Hold on to it. Oh boy, we got 3 wide. We got 3 wide. We got 3 wide. Holy brother. Wow, what a finish. Holy.